says 32. It's the first mention I've seen on a sign.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, it's the start. A shave before I go. And that's it. That's all I'm taking on the HexaTrek. So, 6:15 in the morning. First job is to catch a train to the airport. Platform 4. Waiting for the train doors to open. Stage 1 complete. Arriving at Stansted Airport in the rain. Now to find my check-in area, which is all Ryanair, so you do your own bag, put a label on it, put it on the conveyor belt, and then into a very, 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 very busy security. For a chance for a change. No queue at the drinking water. Perfect. Off to gate 46. I think this is our plane coming in. "18C. Enter by the back door," it says. Arrives at Baden-Baden, and it's a bus. So it didn't take long to get through security. I'm not a risk, it's a ticking exercise. And now we just got to wait for our baggage to come through. So here we are, Baden-Baden railway station. Just got to work out where my train goes from. So I bought a special offer for tickets, but I'd have to wait 2 hours for my train. So I decided to pay an extra 10 euros, and my train leaves in 10 minutes. At least it'll get me into Strasbourg. So that'll be a much easier place to find some gas and other bits and pieces. We've arrived at Strasbourg. Now I've got to work out the next train. Strasbourg. I was going to nip out and get something, but I think I'll wait for the rain to stop. Wow, that's a lot. Huge store for outdoors. It says 32.
Destination Wissembourg. Prochain arrêt. Destination Wissembourg. Prochain arrêt Wissembourg.
And we arrive in Wissembourg. It's rained, well, it rained quite a lot this afternoon, which is what we were expecting, but nice old-fashioned cross the rail tracks to get out. Just about a half-mile walk from the train station to my accommodation for the night. This is the first mention I've seen on a sign in the centre of town. Coming into Centre-Ville. Wissembourg is a beautiful, beautiful old town. Yeah, town halls. I don't think anyone does them better than the French.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.